Okay, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to our class. So today we're going to discuss from Chapter 3, Production Possibility Frontier and Opportunity course, okay? First, we will see what is Production Possibility Frontier. Production Possibility Frontier is also known as Production Possibility Curve, that is PPC, okay? When we say Production Possibility Curve, we means different combinations of two goods that an economy can produce with given resources and available technology. That means PPC curve represents or shows various or different combinations of two goods, say good X and good Y, that an economy can produce with given resources and available technology. The assumptions of PPC are only two goods are going to be produced, that is good X and good Y. Resources are given or fixed, which means resources like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship are given and fixed. 3. Resources are fully and efficiently employed, which means whatever resources are available in production of these two goods will be engaged in production of these two goods, okay? 4. Technology remains constant, which means whatever technology an economy is using to produce these two goods will remain fixed as it is. That means no new machines or old machines will be bought to produce these two goods, okay? And lastly, resources are not equally efficient in production of all goods, which means if we were to produce more of one good, then we must sacrifice some units of other goods, okay? Now we will discuss production possibility schedule. You'll find this in page number 24 in your textbook. Here you can see the various combinations of two goods, combination A, B, C, D, E, and F, isn't it? And good X and good Y, that is two goods. Now in combination A, 15 of Y is produced and 0 of X is produced. In combination B, 14 of Y is produced and 1 unit of X is produced. In combination C, 12 of Y is produced and 2 of X is produced. In combination D, 9 of Y is produced and 3 of X is produced. In combination E, 5 of Y is produced and 4 of X is produced. In combination F, 0 of Y is produced and 5 of X is produced, right? Okay, so now we will put this schedule in a graphical form. You see? So this graphical representation is just a derivation from the schedule itself, okay? Here, wheat is shown on the x-axis, that is on the horizontal axis, and tanks is shown on the y-axis. Now we can see that there are various possibilities or combinations like A, B, C, D, E, and F. Combinations A and F is considered to be extreme possibility. Why? Because here you see at combination A, society devote all of its resources only on the production of Y, that is 15 of tens and 0 of X, isn't it? On the other hand, at possibility F, society devote all of its resources only in the production of wheat, that is 5 lakhs wheat tons and 0 of Y, isn't it? So these A and F are considered to be extreme possibilities, okay? But if society devote or decide to devote some of its resources in the production of both wheat and tens, then we will get different combinations like B, C, D, and E, okay? So when an economy is producing on production possibility curve, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F, it reflects situation of full and efficient employment of resources, okay? But when an economy is operating at any point below PP curve, this one, at point G, it reflects a situation of inefficient use or underutilization of resources, okay? That is, an economy is not fully utilizing its productive capacity, as we can see in India in the form of huge employment and labor strikes, okay? But when an economy is operating at any point above the PP curve, this one, point H, it indicates that there is an increase in supply of resources or progress of technology, which in turn enables the economy to grow, okay? So I hope that is clear, right? Okay, so now we will discuss the properties of production possibility curve. The first one is production possibility curve downward, slope downwards from left to right. As we can see from the diagram itself, it is because in order to produce more of one good, we must sacrifice the production of other goods. As we can clearly see from the diagram, in order to produce 1 week lectons, we are sacrificing 3 units of tens, that is 15 to minus 2 of each 3, isn't it? Likewise, in order to produce more extra of one good, then we must sacrifice the production of other goods, say from 1 to 2, 1 extra unit of lectons. We are sacrificing how much? 3, isn't it? 3 units of tens, right? So that is why production possibility curve slopes downward from left to right, okay? Point number 2 is, you can see from here, production possibility curve is concave to the origin because of increasing marginal opportunity cost or increasing marginal rate of transformation, okay? When we say marginal opportunity cost or marginal rate of transformation, it means it is the increasing rate of sacrifice of one good to produce more of the other goods, which gives concave shape to the PP curve. That means production possibility curve is concave to the origin. This is the concave shape, okay? This shape is concave. Why? Because in order to produce more of one good, we must sacrifice the production of other goods. Now I will show you that in the schedule itself. Here you can see, at possibility A, society devote all of its resources in the production of Y, 15, and 0 of X, isn't it? Then at possibility B, society devote some of its resources, that is sacrificing 1 unit of Y, 15 minus 14 is 1, to produce 1 unit of good X, right? See, you can see here, MRT equal to change or delta Y by change or delta X, okay? Delta Y indicates sacrificing 1 unit of good by delta X indicate to produce more of other goods, okay? So here you can see delta Y is sacrificing 1 unit of good, 15 minus 4 is 1, by to produce 1 unit of good, X, isn't it? 1, okay? I hope that is clear, right? At possibility B, okay, now at possibility C, the society devote some of its resources in the production of other goods, that is 14 minus 12 is 2, to produce 1 more extra unit of X, 1 plus 1, 2. At possibility D, society devote some of its resources, say 12 to 9, 3, to produce 1 more extra unit of good X, that is 2 plus 1, 3, okay? And it will go on in that way, okay? So I hope you are clear, isn't it? So today we have discussed meaning of production possibility curve. Then we also have discussed properties, diagram, schedule, okay? It's quite simple. You go through again, read each and every sentence, and if there's any doubt, you ask me anytime, okay? Thank you.